Hello! Good day mga people! Samahan niyo ako for today's video. Thank you so much! Ang pingantanan. Another day, another upload mga people.
So anyway, good afternoon. Okay. Do you know what's your purpose? Bakit nandito kayo? Are you ready to listen? Okay. So those are the required skills na kailangan po natin i-develop para in the event na graduate kayo, it will help you to look for employment.
In partnership with the focal person. So as your focal person, the designated focal person, so all of these responsibilities, ako po yung may assign sa as a focal person. So whatever concerns you have, pwede sa teacher din sa akin. Let hard work introduce your name. Alam niyo, quiz ka. Yung questions niyo about sa topic ko, you can ask that mamaya. Kapag kung wala namang tanong, if all the discussions, the topic discussed is klaro naman sa inyo, just only for you to ask. So kung may mga tanong, o kung Jollibee kayo, okay lang din. Bida-bida. Okay, so today, as we continue with our discussion, let me introduce to you Ma'am Jenny Maravillas at DVL Tracker to discuss with you the DO30. So makinig kayo kung ano pinagkaiba ng DO40 sa DO30.
Hello, good afternoon. As I observe, maraming nasa cellphone ngayon. Kasi yung sa previous orientation namin, wala talagang humahawak ng cellphone. And everybody is alert during the orientation. Orientation po ito, hindi makinig po tayong lahat. Okay? So we will be discussing about the DepEd Order number 30 series of 2017. Before that, ano yung discussing, Sir Robert? Okay. Ano yung DepEd Order 40?
Guidelines on digital partnership.
Okay, it's all about the K-12 guidelines of Department of Education and Partnership. Now, what is DepEd Order number 13? Guidelines for senior high school work immersion. Ito naman is focuses on the work immersion itself. Sa work immersion na talaga siya. Di ba ba sa school hindi kayo tinitrain? Train to enhance our skills. Kasi dito pa lang sa school, tinitrain na kayo. Kaya tayo lalabas para i-enhance ang skills natin. So ano yung mga hindi pa natin masyadong adapt dito, paglabas natin, mas ma-explore natin siya. Kung go beyond what we have experienced inside the school.
Kasi pangit din po yan. Yes, if you have any more questions from sa lahat ng na-discuss namin from Sir Robert, to Ma'am Jen, to Ma'am Ann, do you have any questions? May mga nalista kayong questions? Huwag kayong mag-iiyak.
Ay kami po ang maglalagay sa inyo kung saan po kayo i-deploy. Sabihin ka, plate number doon.
Dito ko po muna tatapusin. Huwag po kayong magsawang manood at makinig. Thank you so much mga people. Ang pingantanan.